In this video, we're going to talk about how do you create faceless Facebook Reels using AI. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. All right, first let's talk about the why you should be posting on Facebook Reels. If you've been active on Facebook for past 18 months or 2 years, Reels has been the fastest growing format. If you want to grow any Facebook page without using ads, if you don't have any ad budget, just start posting Reels and you'll see the results pretty quickly. So let me show you. This is we've created a bunch of these Reels using AI. So I'm going to show you how the process that I use. It's an AI tool. It's an amazing AI tool to create faceless videos. You can use or you can put those videos on other channels too, but we're going to talk about Facebook Reels that are faceless today. All right, drum roll. The tool is called Syllabi, and yes, I'm an affiliate. There will be a link below and you'll see why I like this tool. There's so many other faceless video tools, but there's a special reason. There is a reason why I love this. Is like on the top of my list. Turn any ideas into faceless videos. And then look at some of these amazing formats, the look and feel of these videos. There are so many features inside this tool. So now let's log in and I'll show you the dashboard, and I'll also show you how can you create Facebook Reels in seconds. All right, the reason I love this tool, pay attention. You can use this tool to find ideas, then make videos, and then also publish videos on your Facebook pages. So you don't have to go to ChatGPT to find ideas, then use another tool to make the video, then use another tool to schedule the video. It's all in one platform. That's a huge time saver. Instead of using like 3 different tools, AI tools, you have to use only one, Syllabi. All right, so when you go, here's the dashboard, pretty straightforward and simple. Let me show you some of the things. First, the discover ideas. If you go here, now this is where you can discover ideas. You can put your keywords here, or you can also, for example, let's say real estate, just click on this and it will display the ideas. And not only that, look, you have the video idea. You also have the search volume, the trend line, and also the CPC cost. If you're gonna post the search trends or the keywords, they matter a lot. They make a huge difference if you're posting content to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Facebook Reels, not so much, but still, this is really easy way to get ideas for your content. So that's one of the awesome features. Now, feature number 2 is actually, I'm gonna go back to dashboard and let's actually create this option right here. So you can create like photo avatar videos. That's one of the feature. But I want to talk about the faceless videos. That's the feature. Let me resize this, which is right here. So click here. And now here is the dashboard, AI visuals. So you can create your AI videos using AI visuals, or they also have a bunch of videos, awesome videos. You can use these stock videos and put some text on top of those. That's also like a really interesting format. I want to do AI visuals. The one I like to use a lot is actually hyper realism. So let me find that here. Right here you go. Now you can select the language, the subtitle. I actually like this. You can also test these voices. So let me see.
Love is a serious mental disease.
And you can
Rather regret the things.
pick other ones that you like. And now if you already have a video script, you can paste that in here. What I like to do is the second awesome feature is the AI script assistant. So let's say I want how to become a servant leader. Here are 5 tips. Now, here's the thing. You may have Facebook page that represents your business, so you can put ideas or keywords about your business. Or maybe you're like me and you manage several different Facebook pages. So that's really awesome, because inside the ideas, I can get ideas based on different categories, different niches, and then bring those ideas here and generate the script. Now let's review the script. This is actually awesome. Want to be a better leader, try becoming a servant leader. And here are 5 essential tips. So you can review, you can make changes if you like. You can also, if you want different style of thumbnails, you have so many different options. And now let's click on generate videos. and click on proceed. Now you don't have to stay here. You can go back to your dashboard and play with some of the other features. For example, under connect, this is where you're going to connect your social media account, because after the video is done, we will publish the video on the social media. So click here and now you can connect. So look at this: YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, and then Facebook pages. Calendar is if you're scheduling a bunch of stuff, you can put your stuff there or see the stuff there. My videos, this is where all the videos are going to appear after. So this is, look, this is being processed. Publish, video editor. After the video is made, you can also do some of the editing. So if you step back, you can use this tool to find ideas, then to make the videos, then attach your social media accounts and publish the video. So 3 different tasks that you would have used different AI tools, now all in one using Syllabi. So let's give it a few seconds and wait for the video to get done. And here you go, our video is now ready right here. So let me actually play this to you so you can see what the visuals, the subtitles look like.
Want to be a better leader? Try becoming a servant leader. Here are 5 essential clues to understand their perspectives.
All of these images are AI generated based on the script that AI actually created in this case. And look how awesome
self-awareness, and your team.
This looks. Now, once the video is done, there are a bunch of things you can do. So for example, I've already have social media accounts connected, so I can just click here and publish those. We'll do that in a second. But other is you can also copy this link, and let's say you have a team member or maybe your team did it and they want you to review it. So you can share this via link. The other awesome feature is you can also edit the images that are generated. Let's say you want different images from what AI created. So you can edit and then change those images, get different images. You can also edit the video. So there are a bunch of different options. If you click on detail, here's the video description and also the script, and then also the style, the voice I used. So everything. You can also download this and let's say upload it to social media. But why do it? Because watch here. Let's say I want to publish it to my Facebook. So let me copy this video description, click on Facebook, and now it's uploading my Facebook pages that I have attached. Look at that. So let me select the Facebook page and then let's enter the description here, how to become a servant leader. You can add your hashtags if you like, totally up to you. If you select different networks, you can customize for each. If you have different channels selected, I only wanted to go on one, so I'm going to deselect one. So now it's going to go on just one Facebook page. And then also, do you want to post this as a story? That's another awesome feature. Do you want to post this as a story, reel, or video? Up to you. But what I said in the beginning, remember, if you want to grow your Facebook pages in 2024, 2025 and beyond, Reels, Facebook Reels, one of the best, one of the fastest growing formats. All right, now once you, another thing, you can publish now, or also if you want to schedule in future, you can do that as well. I'm okay with publishing now, so I'm just gonna click on that. Now, let me show you, because we've published a bunch of these. So let me go back and show you what this is gonna look like. So here's one of the Facebook pages. And we created this Facebook reel. So let me play this.
Looking to clean your dirty fridge quickly and efficiently.
So this was a different niche, so the topic or the idea here was cleaning, fridge cleaning, kitchen cleaning, because that's the niche of this Facebook page. So you see how a lot of different tasks, and you only need one AI tool to do them all. And again, it's called Syllabi. The link is going to be below, so make sure you check it out. And also, any questions about this, Facebook Reels, Facebook Growth, AI tools, let me know so I can answer those and also create maybe more tutorial videos for you. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.